Guys, this is Deepa. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video. So how are you all? I hope you all are doing great. If you're someone who loves watching makeup, fashion and beauty related content, then you may check out my videos and also take a moment to subscribe to my channel and press the bell notification to get the future update. So today in this video, I have created this glitter look. To know how I achieved this look, consider watching. So today I tried creating this loose glitter look for the very first time. So if there is any error, please feel free to comment down below. So I have already applied the moisturizer and the primer as well. I'll start with the eyes today, and for that I have to prep my eyes at the first, and I'm using the concealer from Maybelline in the shade medium, and I'll be applying the concealer all over my lid to make a base for my eyeshadow. And to blend this, I'm using my concealer brush from PAC Cosmetics. The number is 219. This brush is really good. I mean, it's just concentrated at the particular point where you have to apply the concealer or any other product. With it, I'll apply the concealer to my lower lid as well and blend this. So my concealer is properly blended. Now I will be applying a compact powder to set the concealer, क्योंकि इसके ऊपर आई शेडो लगाएंगे तो आई शेडो अप्लाई नहीं होगा. So I have applied one more layer of concealer ताकि ये अच्छे से कलर उभर के आए, and it will eventually set. Okay, so today I'm gonna use this loose glitter. ये मैं पहली बार यूज़ कर रही हूँ. I haven't used this. I bought it in the month of October maybe, but I didn't try it. I don't know. But today I thought let's make eyeshadow look using this loose glitter. And this is from Shimmer Glitter. Is from Lata Shine. It's a local brand, I guess. Okay, so for transition I'm using a light color. I'll be using this brown shade because I don't want to go for the same color as a transition. थोड़ा सा different color ले रही हूँ मैं आज. And with a blending brush I'll apply on my crease. So next, for the outer corner, I'll be using a purple shade from this Lakme Absolute palette, Infinity eyeshadow palette, and it's in Midnight Magic, and I will be using this purple shade. I will be just slightly pat this color on the outer V. I'll be not blending because ये जो glitter मैं लगाऊंगी, I don't know ये कितना सा cover कर लेगा, so इसके ऊपर नहीं लगेगा. That's the reason I'm just patting at the outer corner. Okay, so now I have to use a talc powder or else ये definitely fall out होगा, definitely. So ज़्यादा लगाना पड़ेगा or else it will the glitter will stick to my face, and this is a proper glitter shade जो नहीं आएगा इतना आसानी से निकल के, so precaution. So now I will apply a glue on my eyelid. These are not pressed glitter, so you have to apply a glue till the halfway. So मैं बस यहाँ तक ही लगाया. And if you are thinking this is like a blue color, yeah, it's definitely, but it will be transparent within few seconds. Okay, so it has a lid. It's a chunky glitter, but ये थोड़ा सा fine है, and I'm using a blending brush to pick the glitter. So that's the look. आई डेंट अप्लाई एनी आई लाइनर टुडे क्योंकि ग्लिटर के ऊपर बिल्कुल भी आई लाइनर अप्लाई नहीं होता है एंड शायद आई विल ट्राई अप्लाइंग अ ब्लैक शेडो पर वो भी अच्छे से दिखेगा नहीं. स्टिल आई विल ट्राई एंड लेट्स सी. I faced a lot of difficulties मैं बताती हूँ. So I'll do the next eye and eyebrows. Okay, so this is the complete look, complete eye look. Now I'll move to foundation. Okay, so now I will apply blush. And if my face is looking white, don't worry, it will set eventually. Highlighter. For my lips, I'm using this shade from Maybelline. Is there a Sensational Liquid Matte, which is a nude shade. Okay, now so let me tell you what are the difficulties I faced while making this glittery eye look. First of all, the glue I used is my, as usual, eyelash glue. So you can use any kind of eyelash glue. And the thing is, okay, so first of all, the glitter I used is this one. And this is the consistency. So maybe market में इससे भी fine glitter है. If it's there, it's definitely there. Okay, so to work with those fine glitters is fine. You can make a transition shade, you can make a different shade in a outer V or in a corner, but with this glitter there was no other shades I used. If you remember, and I started using a transition shade to my crease area. Then I made a different purple shade at the outer V. Everything is just gone. The moment I applied the glitter, I first applied in the halfway, but ये उतना ठीक नहीं लग रहा था, so I thought of let's apply it all over my lid, and the other color is just gone. So there is no point if you're using this one or similar to this kind of a glitter. तो there is no point. आप कोई भी दूसरा shade use नहीं कर सकते हो because ये दिखेगा नहीं. Okay, the next point, you cannot use any eyeliner. I mean, liquid हो, चाहे वो gel liner हो, चाहे वो powder shadow हो, you cannot use it. I don't know अगर आप कर सकते हो, but I couldn't do it. I don't think so कि ये होगा भी तो great, मुझे भी बताना, क्योंकि I tried applying a liquid eyeliner, I tried applying a powder shadow, but it's just disappeared. ये नहीं दिखता है. So glitters are already chunky, so इसके ऊपर कोई भी liquid हो या powder हो वो काम नहीं करता. अगर बैठ भी जाए तो नहीं दिखेगा. So eyeliner नहीं use होता है. And the thing is, the powder, the talc you are आप रख रहे हो पहले glitter use करने से पहले to your under eye to catch the fallouts, you have to apply it till here. Because I just apply the talc or like this area कि मुझे लगा कि चलो ये यहाँ तक ही गिरेगा, but no, ये यहाँ तक भी था. It came over here, and thankfully I don't know, this glitter is just like I had already talc in my brush maybe, so इसके लिए मैंने expert किया तो ये चला गया, but eventually शायद नहीं जाता है. So please cover up to here. And the point is like most of the peoples, they use a flat brush while using glitter or applying glitter, but use a blending brush क्योंकि at the end you have to press the glitter to the glue ताकि stick हो जाए. So इसके लिए you have to use a blending brush. अगर आप flat brush use करोगे, it will not give that pressure जितना आपको ज़रूरत है glitter apply करने के लिए. So अच्छे से apply नहीं होगा. And yeah, this ये stuck हो गया because there is a glitter. And flat brush से I'll show you. And flat brush से अगर आप glitter को apply करोगे ऐसे, so ये उतना ज़्यादा pressure नहीं लगाएगा जितना एक blending brush से होगा. So it will be easy if we use a blending brush. And I have seen so many people on social media, even YouTube and different social media, and the beauty gurus as well. Some of the beauty gurus who use, first start from that eyes and then they move to base. I mean, salute to those people. I don't know how you guys manage it, because आज I started from my eyeshadow, उसके बाद मैंने फाउंडेशन अप्लाई किया. आई फेस सो मच ऑफ डिफ़िकल्टीज, मे बी जस्ट बिकॉज आई एम यूज टू लाइक पहले बेस करना उसके बाद आइज करना, एंड like because my eyes were already done and even I have done my eyebrows also to get the proper shape. एंड तो फिर जब मैं फाउंडेशन अप्लाई कर ली थी टू गेट द इनर कॉर्नर आउटर कॉर्नर, मैं अच्छे से नहीं फाउंडेशन को लगा पा रही थी क्योंकि ये ब्रश उतना नहीं, मतलब थोड़ा बड़ा है लाइक इस फॉर माई फेस राइट. जब मैं इसको इनर कॉर्नर में प्रेस करने की कोशिश कर रही थी तो ये ग्लिटर उठ के आ जा रहा था, एंड आई फेस्ड अ लॉट ऑफ डिफ़िकल्टीज. सो salute to those people who start their makeup from eyes. I mean, how can you guys manage? It's like, I don't know, maybe मैं भी practice करूँगी तो हो जाएगा, but still I prefer doing my base at the first. So I think मुझे ये concealer all over my this area apply कर लेना चाहिए था पहले ही, ताकि मुझे foundation के लिए inner corners में problems ना हो. But yeah, anyway, anyhow I managed it. And the last thing, you lastly have to take a fresh brush and आपको इस glitter के ऊपर से just with a very light hand just brush को drag करना है with a very light hand, ज़्यादा pressure नहीं देना है, ताकि if there is any glitter जो अच्छे से press नहीं हुआ है ये पहले ही निकल जाए. ऐसा नहीं है कि आप कहीं पे गए हो फंक्शन अटेंड करें तो आप कुछ कर रहे हो ग्लिटर गिरा. So just to make sure you just have to take a fresh brush and ऐसे करने से ये ग्लिटर you will make sure कि ये जो भी ग्लिटर अभी आपके eyelids पे है they are not gonna move. And finally when I will remove my makeup, because obviously I have to, everyone has to, I'll be sharing with you guys ki what are the difficulties I faced when removing my eye makeup. Because I have faith on this glue and now it's looking great, but yeah, I'll be sharing that experience as well. That's it for today guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, then please give this video a thumbs up, and you can also share it with your friends, and you can also follow me on Instagram. This is my Instagram ID and this is my Instagram feed. So see you in my next video. Till then, bye, take care.